Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Okay, so Atomy Pure Tea, this is already available on our Atomy Europe shopping mall for 25 euros, and it will give you how many points? I believe it's 14,000 if I'm not mistaken, or 10,000 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm so excited to introduce to you the Atomy Slim Body Power Tea. As we all know, this is a simple, convenient daily drink designed to support healthy body fat reduction with just 1 cup a day. Okay, so let us take a closer look at the key features of Atomy Slim Body Power Tea. First, as you can see here, one, two, three. First, it contains 100% pure tea extract, which is individually recognized by the MFDS as a functional ingredient. So this means that it may help reduce body fat and may also help improve blood cholesterol levels, okay? And second is the key dietary ingredient in pure tea is gallic acid, as you can see on number 2. Just one daily packets, 1 gram of extract. It already will provide you approximately the same amount of gallic acid as drinking 34 cups of regular pure tea. So that's really powerful concentration in just one simple stick. And thirdly, it's incredibly convenient. Simply mix one packet, of course, into a bottle of water and consume one packet a day, so it makes easy to stay consistent. So in short, it combines a recognized functionality, concentrated benefits, and daily convenience. Okay. So as you can see in one box of our Atomy Pure Tea, you have 30 packets of 1 gram each, 30 grams in total. Originated from China, suggested use is mix one packet in water and take once daily. Now, let us review the nutritional information of Atomy Slim Body Pure Tea. The recommended intake is 1 packet per day, which is equals to 1,000 milligrams. So it contains 0 calories, zero fat, zero protein, and zero sodium, with less than 1 gram of carbohydrates, making it a very light and clean addition to your daily routine. So each packet provides 35 milligrams of gallic acid. So as I've said a while ago, this is the key ingredient, functional component in pure tea. And also, it has been individually recognized by the MFDS as a functional ingredient. So it will, as you can see here, reduce body fat and also improved blood cholesterol. Okay. So this is really good if you are really undergoing diet or the cholesterol is very high. So before we talk more about the product, let us first understand Pu'er tea itself, okay? So pu'er tea is one of China's 10 luxury teas, known for its long history and rich tradition. It is a simple type of aged and fermented tea named after the Pu'er region in Yunnan, China. So basically, if we talk about tea, China is one of the best sources of teas in the world. It is made through microbial fermentation of Camellia sinensis, leaves grown, Camellia sinensis leaves, which is grown in Yunnan, China. Purity has been recorded in classical Chinese medical literature, including Compendium of Materia Medica and the Dictionary of Chinese Medicine. So historically, it was enjoyed by Chinese royalty, including Yang Guifei and Empress Dowager Cixi. So it was also traded along the ancient tea horse roads, one of the oldest trade routes in human history. So when we talk about poverty, we're not just talking about beverage. We are also talking about centuries of tradition, culture, and of course, recognized value. All right. So now let us take look at how Atomy Slim Body Purity extract is made. The tea is native to and harvested in the mountains of Yunnan, China, where the climate provides optimal conditions for fermentation. The extract is produced using authentic pu'er tea from the world-renowned sorry, I cannot pronounce it properly, Haiwan Tea Factory. So the process begins with harvesting fresh tea. As you can see, this is the first process, harvest. Next, the leaves are dried. So we use the vacuum drying. The leaves are dried naturally in a well-ventilated area through vacuum drying. Then they undergo Wudoi fermentation. So we are now in Wudoi fermentation, a controlled microbial fermentation process that develops pu'er tea's unique properties. So after fermentation, as you can see here, step 4, the tea goes through hot water extraction to concentrate the active components, and finally, the extract is spray dried into a fine powder for convenient use. So this extraction follows a special patented fermentation process, ensuring both quality and consistency in every packet that we are going to consume. So let us focus on gallic acid. All right, so which is the key functional ingredient in pu'er tea extract. Gallic acid, so this is a polyphenol compound and a component of catechins. So if you are curious what other products, atomy products, where gallic acid is present. So one product, which is the pomegranate fruit jelly, also contains gallic acid. So it's also good for high cholesterol, plus for if someone wanted to lose weight. Okay. So it plays an important role in supporting body fat reduction. Each 1 gram packet of pu'er tea extract contains 35 milligrams of gallic acid. So if we will put it into perspective, you would actually need to drink about 34 cups of ordinary pu'er tea to get the same amount of gallic acid found in just 1 packet of Atomies pu'er tea. All right, so ordinary pu'er tea contains about 1.02 milligrams of gallic acid per 0.7 grams. So which shows how concentrated this extract truly is. So this high concentration is what makes Atomy Slim Body pu'er tea both powerful and convenient, delivering effective amounts in just one daily packet. So as you can see, the content of the gallic acid is really high. That's why there is a huge or a big probability of losing weight if we are really consistent in taking the Atomy pu'er tea in a daily basis. So of course, there's also clinical results of pu'er tea extract consumption. Studies have shown a reduction in body fat after consistent intake. Participants experience weight loss and measurable reduction in BMI, as you can see here, the number 2. There was also confirmed reduction of abdominal fat, including visceral and subcutaneous fat, which are important indicators of metabolic health. Waist circumference, I have one testimonial with my waist circumference decreased after consumption compared to before, showing visible improvement in body shape. So in addition to fat reduction, improvements were seen in cholesterol levels as well. So as you can see here, number 5. Total cholesterol and LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, were reduced. At the same time, HDL, which are considered to be the good cholesterol, showed a confirmed increase. So these results demonstrate that pu'er tea extract supports not only body fat management, but also overall cardiovascular health. So as we can see, this is not only for fat reduction, but it's also good for our cardiovascular health. But before we continue, let us briefly understand body fat and why managing it is important. So first, let us define what is body fat. Body fat is the fat accumulated in the body when we consume food, of course. Nutrients are either used for energy, stored in the liver, in the muscles, or accumulated as fat. So when we eat some food that are really high in bad fat. Okay. In normal amounts, body fat protects our body and serves as an energy reserve when needed. However, why is reducing body fat so important? Excess body fat can cause several health problems, as we all know, right? Maintaining an optimal level of body fat helps support physical fitness and overall health. So, what causes increased body fat? Maybe we are asking, right? Overconsumption of high calorie food, such as frequent snacking or eating out. I was always snacking, like, Christmas season, we were eating a lot. In addition, lack of physical activity means more energy is consumed than expended, resulting in stored fat. So, of course, if we're just intaking food without releasing the energy, without exercising, these fats are stored in our body. And finally, what are some everyday methods to reduce body fats? First, of course, is managing eating habits is the key. Avoid overeating, reduce snacking, and choose lower calorie filling food like vegetables and fruits. Regular exercise is also essential. When we are physically active, the body uses stored energy, helping burn glucose and body fat. Exercising consistently, even for at least 20 minutes at a time, can make a meaningful difference. So, before I proceed, I would just like to let you know that one of the biggest factor on top of taking purity is I really committed myself to doing Pilates every day, 20 minutes on a daily basis. And as of experience, what I could tell you is my flexibility increased, and plus, I could actually stretch. Probably, I was just thinking like probably after 3 to 4 months, I could do a split already. Because yeah, it's true, Loredana, because the body has been stretched. And I saw, really, guys, if you have some cellulites, is it correct? Cellulites? um Try to do Pilates, really stretching Pilates, because I've seen a huge improvement on my legs. And next week you will see that. I'm gonna be posting some of my stories because we're gonna be at the beach. Okay. So just to show you that it really works, right? So puberty in combination with Pilates, even 20 minutes consistently every day. So I normally do my Pilates like at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. in the morning. But if I'm too busy, I do it at night. But I really make sure that I do it on a daily basis. Like we really have to commit if we wanted to see a huge difference. So, understanding these basics helps us see how lifestyle habits combined with supportive products can contribute to healthier body management. So, guys, just to tell you, I'm just really so proud of my achievement for just a month because, for example, my trousers, I was at 40. I was weighing 62 kilos and now I'm back to 38. So you see, and the 38 trousers that I already kept on my bag, they are now like I could put my hand in. So basically, I could now wear like 36 also, but I don't dare to. Not yet. Okay. So now let's look at simple ways to measure body fat on your own. So first, of course, is BMI, or body mass index. So BMI is an index used to estimate body fat and assess health risk. It is calculated by dividing your weight in kilograms, as you can see here, by your height in meters squared. So based on BMI, weight categories are generally classified as underweight, normal, overweight, and different classes of obesity. Guys, some people were asking me, oh, maybe because nowadays in Europe, the prick, the injection, the people that is injecting on the tummy, it's called like Monjaro. If I'm not mistaken, I actually asked it to the doctor if I could do it. But the doctor told me, no, Arjis, you're not big enough. And plus, if you are doing a physical work, this kind of prick or injection that will burn fat will also burn your muscles. So it's not good for people who are doing a physical job because they will feel tired all the time. So my doctor told me just to exercise and eat less. And then in my thinking, wow, as if it's very easy. Right? So now this gives a general guideline for understanding your body status. The second method is measuring waist circumference. This is what I didn't do this. To measure correctly, stand with your feet slightly apart, exhale naturally, and measure around the base of your rib cage using a measuring tape. Um, in general, a waist circumference over 85 centimeters for women and over 90 centimeters for men may indicate increased risk related to abdominal obesity. Oh, I'm gonna try that later on. I've not done this. By monitoring BMI and waist circumference regularly, you can better understand your body condition and take appropriate steps toward healthier body management. Okay. So then, of course, along with supportive products, proper dietary habits are essential for healthy body management. First, eat meals on time. Regular eating according to your body's rhythm is important, and skipping meals, especially breakfast, is not recommended. Second, first, before I proceed with the second one, I would just like to inform you that while I was intensively on a diet, I never skip my breakfast. So what I normally eat for breakfast is 3 eggs. So then I got lots of protein and energy. So even if I have lots of customers in the morning, I don't get dizzy and I still feel very, alive. And second, maintain a balanced diet. Choose a wide variety of food to ensure you are getting all necessary nutrients. And third, consume the correct amount of calories. Eating the right number of calories per day helps maintain a healthy weight and is one of the most basic ways to prevent obesity. Fourth, reduce sodium intake. Limiting salt consumption to no more than 5 grams per day supports overall health. And finally, make meals enjoyable. Sharing meals, of course, with family or friends can make healthy eating more sustainable and enjoyable. Healthy body management is not about extreme restriction, it's about consistent, balanced lifestyle habits. So, when I was beginning my Pilates, like I said, after 2 weeks, I didn't see any improvement, but then on the third week and the fourth week, I really saw like a huge improvement. So one of the best things about Atomy Slim Body Purity is its convenience. So as I've said, just one packet a day. Each stick contains 100% purity extract, perfectly portioned for daily use. Simply mix one packet into hot or room temperature water and enjoy your purity. Please note that it doesn't dissolve well in cold water. So for easier consumption, you can mix one packet, which is 1 gram, into a 500 milliliter bottle of water and drink it throughout the day. It is simple, portable, and designed to fit easily in your daily routine. So now this product is recommended for people who need to manage their weight, who want a healthy diet, who worry about the late dinners and frequent meals out, those who want to manage their body weight through easy intake, those who have gained weight rapidly and find managing body fat difficult, and those who are worried that they will not get their body shape back after giving birth. So those who need to improve and also those who need to improve their blood cholesterol. There are also some precautions, of course, like every other products. Avoid this product if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. Discontinue use and consult your doctor if adverse reactions occur. This product contains caffeine, which may cause nervousness and insomnia. Pregnant and nursing women, children, or patients undergoing medical treatment are advised to consume with caution. And do not consume products, of course, past their expiration date. And one box, 30 packets, good for 1 month, is for 25 euros and you will get 14,000 points. So I am an avid fan of Atomic Purity because for me, it really helped me. If you have been following me on